It may not seem like it initially, but there is a plan for your life that has already been predetermined, predestined. And so this is why you may feel as if you're not necessarily sure of why things are shifted in your life in a way. You may find yourself walking away from a career or whatever type of interest that you were once interested in and no longer has an appeal for you. And it's because God is changing your palate. Your palate is being cleansed and you're being uploaded with new taste and different things. And so what is also happening is that with this predestiny that's happening, whatever it is that you may have overcome is going to be directly aligned with what it is that you're going to bring others out of. And it's because you have had that experience and you know the intricate details of what it is to be in that experience. Some of you have experienced things that only somebody that has had that experience could actually help others come out of it. And so moving on to Jeremiah 29:11-13, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope in the future. Then you will call upon me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart. So the Bible clearly states that success is aligned with your purpose. So just trust this process that your life is shifting into. I know it may seem a little like you're on shaky foundation, but you're being recalibrated for greatness. Trust that He's not leading you anywhere to leave you there. He's never going to abandon you. God is always faithful. And what is happening is that you're at the beginning stages of a brighter life.